My name is Revaudi Maramadani.
My name is Cindy Yolanda.
My name is Yurika Krenanda.
My name is Adli Muhammad Al-Khairi.
So our genre of video is about a culinary, which is the title is Lawan Telur Viral by Desi Ayu Channel.
So from minute 0 to minute 4.5 tells about how to make it and the ingredients that are easily to get. The ingredient that need to be prepared to make processed egg dish. First peach that is cut into small pieces of 4 leeks if the size of the leeks is large enough to use only to stick. Key message and the key word that is chopped for spring onions and cut into small pieces. Secondly, when finished, we cut the leeks, then we set them aside and use them later. Then prepare 1 carrot and peel it.
So the next section is minute 4 until minute 8. The speech is, well, here the main ingredients are 6 eggs chicken, then there is 3/4 salt, 1 teaspoon of broth powder, 1 teaspoon ground pepper, and 1 tablespoon cornstarch. And the key message of the speech is list of main ingredients in the recipe. And the key word of the speech is chicken eggs, 3/4 teaspoon salt, ground pepper, and cornstarch. And the second speech is, now we move on, crack the egg into a large container or bowl, friends. The key message of the speech is crack the egg into a large container, and the keyword of the speech is crack the egg and large container. This is the missing the ingredients. This part explains the additional component needed to crack the dish.
For the next section, from minute 8 until 12, the first speech is after we done stirring and everything is evenly mixed like this, friends, then we set this aside first. The key message from the speech is set aside the dough that has been mixed. The key word is set aside. And the second speech was taking a baking sheet or whatever you have here. I use it like this. The key message is taking the baking sheet to be used for the next stage. The key word is baking sheet.
So the last step is, or the last section is about the final step in serving. The last step is to fry the egg squares until they are equally golden brown and properly cooked. So the key message here is turn off the stove and leave and serve it on the plate. The keyword is turn off the stove, serving plate, and serve. So the second key message is the taste is delicious and the step to make it is easy. The keyword is delicious, simple, and try. So the last key message I want to talk is about the final result. So the keywords is about the final and food. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.